One time, Raju came. Raju, just like all employees, I never going to use a boss such type of terminology. Happily, I will keep my hand on their shoulders. We will go for chai, something like we have that much freedom, that much association. Okay, with every employee, whether office boy or whether that person, the senior faculty also. So like, what happened is, one time Raju came, sir, in casual discussion, we met some in the park somewhere in the ESI park. In the casual discussion, he told one point, Raju, how are you, other things going on? Like I had it. Sir, what happened is, my gold, he did mortgage, he took mortgage loan from the
Muthoot Finance.
Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance. I took the gold loan from the Muthoot. Okay. So I didn't pay the interest. With interest, all those things, how much I'm going to, I require to pay almost equal, sir. That's why I'm leaving that gold like he told. He told that point. I require to pay something. Even the gold value is also almost the same because I didn't pay the interest. That's why I'm leaving. I'm leaving that like he told. Raju, as a brother, I'm telling, don't see the gold means only money, equal money. Like, array, in that there are some memories also by default will be there. That your marriage related. My mother, okay, bought this one. My mother gifted, like such type of things are there. Like I asked, yes sir. Okay, like for my he's always using the word about his kid. మా బుడ్డోడు పుట్టినప్పుడు మా మదర్ చేపించింది. Okay, whenever is a son born, his mother, okay, did some gifted some ornament, like all those things are there. Then these type of wonderful memories how you are going to miss. These type of wonderful memories how we are going to miss, man. Okay, like but almost more than 2 lakhs money is required, sir. Now how it is, sir, like Corona time. Then I told, no problem. So why you kept in Muthoot? It's a too much high interest. If you go for government bank like Canara Bank or SBI, like with very less interest only, that monthly you are not required to pay, yearly only you required to pay. Why you did such type of activity, Raju? Do one thing, better to bring out from the Muthoot and keep in the normal bank, Canara Bank or Andhra Bank, whatever there, like I told. But I'm not having the money, sir. I will arrange the money. Don't worry. I will arrange the money. Like I provided some 2.5, 3 lakhs. And then he went there and he told, sir, if I keep this same gold in the SBI or Canara Bank, that much amount I may not get, sir. Like, no problem. How much you are getting, later you can adjust like. Then almost around 50, 60,000 gap is there. No issue. No issue. Later, whenever the time permits, you can return back. No issue at all like that. Then I asked immediately. Any other employee facing this type of problem in DURGASOFT like that? Sir, Pavan is also, every month is paying, sir. In the Muthoot only he kept, every month is dying. Where is currently Pavan? In Warangal. Okay, Corona time, working from home. Ask Pavan to come, release that gold, and then keep that gold in the government banks at a low interest rate, and then ask him to return the money like I do. Made a phone call to Pavan immediately from there only. Then Pavan immediately came. Have you observed, right? Every month, instead of monthly, yearly they require to pay. Every month 4,000, 5,000. Instead of that, yearly some 10,000 or 13,000 they require to pay. If employer think in this style, that employee is going to stick forever with that employer or not?
Yes, sir.
For sure.
Yes, so observe that.
Yes.
Why the people are with me? Okay, like that. So
Because
just
their
always,
problem is your problem.
yeah, I told simple line. Their problem is my problem. Simple line. You have to be aware. Next, my admin is there, Nazir sir. One day we went to the same park. I remember because usually I will. So just I will enjoy the greenery, kind of calm, these kind of things. I went there. Sir, I want to talk to you personally. Like, yeah, sir, I have one small doubt. You have 3 kids up there. 3 kids. Nazir sir having 3 kids, and the old mother is there. Old age mother is there. We are paying the money, almost around 50,000 rupees. We are paying at the salary at that time, but now not more. How you are using this 50,000? Like I told, then 3 kids, family, even his brother. For his brother also he required to adjust. Mother also he required to take care, medication, all those things. Sir, almost okay. So almost is going to be fulfilled. Nothing. Do you have any savings like that? No. No savings. Sir, I have one small doubt. Suppose tomorrow there is an emergency situation is coming because old age mother is there. Suppose some medication emergency is there, some 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs required. What you are going to do? What you are going to do? Then immediately, sir, Durga sir, you are there with me. Like, wow, wonderful. That Barosa, okay. But at that time, I'm also not having the money. Assume that. What is the situation? Simple, I can tell. That's not my problem. Simple, I can tell. Sir, you are seeing already, I'm struggling. I'm not having the money. Correct, sir? What about your kids? Your kids are small. Okay, just a school only. Tomorrow, college, more fees will be there. Suddenly, the fee is going to be you require. How you are going to handle? Like I asked for. I raised the question in his mind. Actually, he has to think about that. But being an employer, I asked him in reverse that situation. In reverse that situation. Okay, then simple. I told, okay, we will do one thing. Every month, 10,000 rupees I will pay on chit on your name. Okay, I will ask Narsimha. Narsimha will come with application. Okay, on your name. I will pay. Whenever you require, just you can do action. That chit automatically will get that money safely, happily. Anytime that 3 lakhs will be there for you to fulfill your requirement. Like I told, I paid. Believe me, I paid 30 months. 30 months I paid. 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. He got, of course, sir. On some urgent need, he adjusted that amount for me only. For me only, adjusted that amount for me only on some emergency need. Now, observe. Habit. Always think about opposite person. Okay, then the total world is always with you with us. If you are always thinking about my guy, nothing is going to work out. Getting right? What the bigger mistake the people are doing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Thinking about
yes, sir. Think about ourselves.
We are always thinking about my requirement. I told, this is my need. I told you should do. They never, no one is going to do, man.